ECOWAS edi atudwa say womu ebe donate sika sumbo $250,000 edi ama womu a flood nso yiri affecti womu ewo oman Ghana mu ha sei entino atadwe ye niati ye dende atadwe ye niati dende atadwe ye niati dende. In fact, for the first time in 100 years, ECOWAS ayade ama makuma atomi yem ope Ghana for omuye critics of economic community of West African state making fantastic sitting here me number one. Ma criticizing ECOWAS many times, to be very honest. It will do baby cram to me can't cook a say ECOWAS and fast way dien at the West Africa. But a dear ECOWAS yama Ghana se me kase menin jimwana me boa. So sa information way free. You will kuja to black foreign affairs minister or no and idea beto abontin so say ECOWAS for bedroni tisika ediama wo mwa nso yiri eka wo mu ewo Ghana no say ena etie or say I wish to announce in the spirit of transparency and accountability that the foreign ministry has just been notified by ECOWAS that they have decided to donate $250,000 American choppable dollars, about 3 million Ghana cedis, to Ghana for victims of the recent devastating floods. As can be expected, the foreign ministry will hand over the entire funds as soon as we receive it in our accounts. The government of Ghana conveys boundless appreciation to ECOWAS for their solidarity and through African compassion for God and country. Enti okuya ta black watch so to obe unse ne phone so kr onkonko sha ECOWAS fo na etunsa afre no ECOWAS fo adan onkonko tia ECOWAS fo se ya mamokrata ya twere krata abrem but ehu hian se ye be sama ye ya namusini asa afre wa confirm ya kire say yes eye no kre na se ye nyina ya hun se ne ekoso ewo Ghana no ane enyan flood si ama nkrofo efie enso abefa nkrofo fie ayiri abua fa nkrofo dem ama kese wo mu ebranka sante ECOWAS say in fact yet na se ye meeting ewo Abuja no at the end of the day no ya fatu ye hunsu say ye be donate $250,000 eye worth 3 million Ghana cedis se munji saskai na mumfa nko efie mu obi a flood ne bi affecting ne biano mo man ne share na wonjim fanhye no ho endandan ho se ne dam na nso wura sesa ne dam nyina niama pie ya na mama na kakra na wato mattress na wato free na wato we na wato na bibia tomo ase wadi anwa wona wanu anche no ECOWAS for say Ghana eyo mo ba wo muntenase emma Ghana for enya den embre ena okuja ta black kwa kasa na o chese the moment as can be reflective of foreign ministry account muse kolon no and from Accra mboso no mastati cheska no the more muti say friends saying where the nasi jollof no once so call where the nasi ayana ya noa jollof a say the channel no okuja to say nche scan reflect ya omube chest omube chest can it say where the nasi jollof no oba bra undidi beji jibika wumi ya bra betibi sanete e to me chest can it say where the nasi jollof no and I just say government of Ghana edda ECOWAS say or say the government of Ghana conveys boundless appreciation to ECOWAS for their solidarity and true African compassion. And you see, Ghana yenia saw ECOWAS so ma decide say adewe and our mu ebeyama o my Ghana. And you know, as a Ghanaian there, obo pie this particular story, so you have to be very happy. Yes, you don't have to be happy. And I say because I won't come. But you have to be happy say ECOWAS yes adewe. Maybe I met now I am bisa say ECOWAS and fast way again. I used to ask every day. Yes, because ECOWAS no in as much as at this point no person who bua Ghana as a nation no ECOWAS ewo mu flaws. There are a lot of things I also West African sub-region we more even Nigeria hono mo headquarters no wono kura no hona mu discuss problems in West Africa kurampono Nigeria problems ECOWAS and to solve quarter hona headquarters no one ECOWAS ye huni ECOWAS ya fam na ye tinchan. You understand? It say you see ye solve Ghana problem. Accra na capital na hana obi atina say ye decisions no. Accra na abrabo nya other regions no ma abrabo beye. You understand? The ECOWAS for over the years no every Pan-African or West African biano criticize ECOWAS say we don't know what they are doing. Na ye hu ECOWAS say ECOWAS a body bia say asem si West Africa na say ekokoye bibi ti sa ban tugua e na sebi yo omu hu nyansa kwotena say discuss ho asem. Beside that, they don't have anything to offer the citizens of West Africa. But if this is what ECOWAS is coming to do, they are coming home na yenda the economic community of West Africa status. Entino mon relax na mon nyaso. To be very honest, okuja to black enye minister or ye corrupt. Si can reflect in account ma obi ansa be kan de. Yembe to say ECOWAS for si kana wo mo donate e de ma Ghana no. Friends ECOWAS for si kana wo mo donate e de ma Ghana na yanye den yancha momo ensi. Everybody will get. Okuja to black ye minister be a sebiu or ye corrupter. Anka o announce mpo onim sa yes minister bi anka announce because Ghana ni bia expect sika bia free ECOWAS ho. Ghana ni bia expect any money from ECOWAS. Can correct me? O Ghana no expect sika free ECOWAS ho because him say ECOWAS for Jessica obi a flood na affecting bia no expect sika from ECOWAS. You understand? Entino akwa ade bia akwaya surunko a eze nkrofo ye very happy because ECOWAS nka we nya o ma said ye but o ma dwen Ghana for this we have to really appreciate them. You understand? As I say, I appreciate you na they have really done well. Entino obianchre ECOWAS, you spoil the comment section. Madaurma. Obianchre ECOWAS, you spoil the comment section. Emaye. Sa pepe. Entino, atabi yati dende. Mwa mofi affected by flood no. Asempa. Ena abano. Yebo okuja to black waba. So Chris Mensa said then I again that did we ever have a minister of this country the previous years? Hey. Brofo Pani. Sebastian said the other guys would have kept quiet and chop it. Oh yeah, that's true. Say na make can obi so try the same thing. What I say? Aha, we are coming in for no mubedi as we twem na. Ska we go medi. It's a fact. Because on now sichro, as a later on wa manwa Ghana for be hu se wa discount. And on now sichro. Na opeso hunsa asema mi kan ye no kra. Go back and do certain verifications. Unim the amount of money ya under the leadership of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo as president of Ghana. Efa binding sanse under COVID-19. Unim sika Ghana buying enya free COVID-19 so. A lot of people don't know this. But the reality is Ghana government, in fact, most of these African nations in Yaska, every COVID subebre. Abanya in the history of Fourth Republica, wanyasika pane Akufo-Addo government. Until more time naska we basa 3 million cedis worth $250,000 kaskawi they will chop it. Omedi. Na nkrofo mutimi ko bobusia beche didie. Sa nkrofo no ska we beso omo. Me kan kwasi ampanyi be ba be kase me bring proof na wo kokko besia ba na ade no de ko besia no ya ante hu nka ade no wanye na ska no so ye ni be be fa ya wadi anase wandi proof be no hia bio Ghana law no krese sananka ye jailing nkrofo bi wani ama bi se hu because listen utifie na wo ma me atam 50 Ghana amount say kwa abontin na kwan ho tototo nkwan niam kakra bra nkwan niam na bi wo but ebia ntosa shorty magia shorty nkruma kakra shorty ohia ngu kakra ne makomu no ene some other ingredient your friends and tinapa we bi uji 50 cedis pie ya okoduru ya niama na o ma me se koto no wanto scan so amba yes ya hunse wo discount ya hunse wo discount akoche obi ya hunse wa spend discount but ni ebetimi agina so atwewa so ne se yesuma ona ukọ ya niama namba nka 50 cedis ni de esenka eba fie because with the 50 cedis ni ba you can explain yourself say me call ya manya nti scan ni ohun so ba we ye dem ba scan ni ho niama no so amba ya hunse wo discount ba ebe frɛ de ye be frɛ kromfo ye mra ne se yanka kromfo be 100 the jail because of corruption but we ne se ne ye mra ne se obeka sa asem se minister bi ye ma ministers ka bi say onfanye say wan fast kana anya sa de no sika no so ye hu be bia sika no fa ye odi asem kokota emra ne san kire say you have to prove say minister need this can before ya jeli no but nka we asem nka ye nya judgment ke be ka say you go to prison for 47 years no yeah obepie na wabodge sefita na omo a woni omo sha abrabo ase no omo nyina akwa ani majaw that's the fact you understand ne no omo ya no IMF 3 billion no omo goji until date ask can no omo de yede and this government before a year accounts a close account a hand over amamu no omo ka kire omo say 3 billion no omo goji free IMF omo de yede Sas can ye de ya dia se no uko kan ze prove we prove ben na ohia prove ben na ohia it's no that's the reality ya no man ska we anga 3 million kwans kura ka omo de betonzu ka omo de betonzu ze ya no I swear no be ultimately 3 billion no 3 million cities be na de chicken change kura